So what's up guys, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. The picture you're seeing on your screen is one of the best moments in the history of sport. It is a time whereby the greatest footballer known as Ronaldo get to meet the greatest track star in the whole wide world, Usain Bolt. And a lot of people although created controversies trying to compare Usain Bolt and Ronaldo, trying to make a point that Ronaldo is big compared to Usain Bolt. And I think they are totally wrong, because at the end of the day, Usain Bolt himself is the biggest in track. So I still don't understand why people are trying to make Usain Bolt feel less of himself by saying that he is not great enough like Ronaldo, right? Cristiano Ronaldo. But the fact that Cristiano Ronaldo was able to met with Usain Bolt, and when I watched the video, he was so happy meeting Usain Bolt. So I don't know where those people are getting their narratives. But guys, I don't want you to feel anything, because at the end of the day, these people making noise that Usain Bolt is not big as Cristiano Ronaldo, they have not achieved quarter of what Usain Bolt has achieved. I feel like they are just trying to project their insecurities towards the biggest track legend, Usain Bolt. But the question is now back to you. Between Cristiano Ronaldo and Usain Bolt, who do you think is actually the greatest? But because if you ask me that question, I would just say that everybody is great. Usain Bolt is great in his own field, right? Ronaldo is also great in his own field. And besides, Ronaldo has a lot of competitors like Messi, right? Messi is known as one of the great competitor against Cristiano Ronaldo. But when it comes to Usain Bolt, can you mention any great competitor against Usain Bolt? Is there any sprinter during the era of Usain Bolt that was able to beat him? Like this year he wins, next year the other person wins? It has not happened, which has entirely proved how great Mr. Usain Bolt is. So I don't think there is any proper answer to this, because if you want to do justice, each of them is great, right? So guys, thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and also I have a big surprise coming later on.